Thanks again for joining us, and welcome to this week's installment of the Southwest Water Cooler. I'm Lou McCoy, and it's my pleasure to be joined in the studio once again by the one and only, the manager, CEO of the Southwest Water Authority here in Dickinson, North Dakota, Miss Mary Massad. Mary, how goes it this week?
It's going great. How about you?
Great as well. What is new in the water world?
We're busy as usual in our windy region of the state this week, it seems. For everybody's information, I'm not sure if all our listeners are aware of where our drinking water and the water comes from. Lake Sakakawea is our drinking water source, or our water source for the Southwest Pipeline Project, which provides water throughout southwest North Dakota. Missouri River and Lake Sakakawea are pretty amazing. Lake Sakakawea, for instance, is the second largest man-made lake in the United States, second only to Lake Mead, I believe. When it's full, it holds 24 million acre-feet. Southwest Pipeline Project takes off less than half an inch a year off that lake, and on a hot summer's day, more than 4 inches actually will evaporate off the lake.
Some fascinating figures there, Mary. What else can you tell us about the Missouri River?
Missouri River is vitally important to the state of North Dakota, and a few of us, a few water interests and others in the state, have gotten together to form a Missouri River stakeholders group. We want to organize and bring forth all this information and to everybody in the state so that they do realize the importance of the Missouri River for the whole state. Over 90% of the available fresh water in our state is through the Missouri River. So we've gotten funding through the North Dakota State Water Commission, Garrison Diversion Conservancy District. We are going to operate, at least for now, through the Missouri River Joint Water Board, and we're hiring a coordinator. We're looking for someone who can put all the interests together, coordinate all that, who all the stakeholders would be, and then in, say, 18 months or so, bring us together as a group to discuss the importance of the Missouri River and to rally round for our needs on a local, state, but especially on a national level.
So if one of our listeners happened to be interested in that coordinator position or knew somebody who might be interested, who would be the appropriate person to contact?
They could contact Southwest Water through our website or give us a call, and I will definitely put them in touch with the right person. The position is currently posted on the website for the Missouri River Joint Board.
And the website again for the Southwest Water Authority is, of course, qualitywaternd.com. Also on the website, you can find out more information regarding some of the office positions available at the Southwest Water Authority, more information about utilizing their water depot, or if you just want to drop in and say hi and that you're listening to the show, check out qualitywaternd.com. And with that, Mary, thanks again for your time this week. It's been enlightening and informative as always. We'll talk to you again soon, and hang on to your hat in the meantime.
I will do that. Thank you. I appreciate our listeners. I hope you're having a good week, and hang on to your hats as well.
And with that, I want to thank you folks out there for taking time out of your day to join us, and encourage you to drop in next time right here at the Southwest Water Cooler.